Hello, my name is Christopher Whytal. I'm reviewing the electric longboard by Veymax. This is the X4S Roadster version, and I'm excited to take it out for another test spin. Beginner at this, skateboarded when I was 15. I'm now 48, so it's been a while. So I'm excited to take this out and try it out and see how it goes. Hello, Christopher Whytal here. Today I'm reviewing the Veymax electric longboard. That's right. Let's take a look. I tell you, this thing was a blast. I had so much fun. I haven't skateboarded since I was 15 years old. I'm 48 now. Trying to get back into it a little bit, So I picked myself up one of these to take it out for a stroll. It was amazing. It was the most fun I've had in a very, very long time doing an outdoor activity. So let's take a look at this thing, okay? All right, so you're flipping it over. You see the battery casing right here. You got a port right here for the charger to connect to it. Keeps it nice and waterproof, watertight right there. You got the power button. Turn it on. And as you can see, you got some brake lights right here. You can turn on. It's got different modes on these brake lights. Check. All right, and here we have the brake lights. You just press them to turn them on, and the cool thing is you got different modes, so you can press them again and they blink on and off, some different things. Kind of makes for a fun ride. You got the trucks and the wheels right here. Here's it comes with a bunch of stuff in the box. You got the user manual right here. You have the charger for the battery here. You have comes with a nice tool. Comes with a nice wrench to make adjustments to the wheels, and it comes with a remote control and this is really cool right here. It comes with this remote control. So it's got a wrist strap for you to wrap around your wrist so you don't lose this model, the X4S. It has about 4 different power modes. You got low, medium, high, pro, and what it does is it controls your speeding. So you got a low, it's about 10 miles an hour. You got a mid, a high, and a pro level, which goes about 29 miles per hour, which is pretty fast for this. I have not gone that far yet, or that fast yet, but we'll see, on my comfort level and stuff. I like the mid to high speed levels with this. I think it works pretty well. Another thing about this remote control is you got a nice brake. It does brake a little bit, but it's not too heavy. It doesn't stop the wheels, it just kind of smoothly stops it, slows it down. So it doesn't throw you off your board or anything like that. It's not too jerky. It does slow you down. And here's your acceleration and your brake. One cool thing about this is the ability to go off-road. Even though it's made for the streets, made for the roads, you can still take it on gravel pathways. As you can see here, I found just a really cool gravel path trail near where I live, so I'm able to take it and just ride up it no problem at all. Alright, one thing is really cool about this board is it can go, made for the streets, but it looks like it can go off-road, which is pretty nice. A lot of fun. There's a gravel pathway near where I live, covering an old railroad track. It's pretty sweet. So I had to wanted to take it down here and check it out and see if it would work well, and it works really well. Very happy with it so far. So a little bumpier than the street, but that's to be expected. It's the gravel. It goes through different dirt areas, grassy areas. It kind of has a little bit of a feel for the off-road, which is really great. It makes it very versatile. So I've taken this out a few times since I've had it. Since I've done this review, I can tell you it's nothing short of a blast. This thing is so much fun. I encourage you to go out and grab one. Veymax is excellent customer service, a great help. We're trying to figure this out. You can go on Veymax.com for more information. You can get one. I'm super happy with it. I'm excited to go taking it out again as the weather gets nicer. Overall, I love this sport. Really do. It's a ton of fun. You gotta grab one. Whether you're a beginner or pro, you'll enjoy it. Great for the budget. So go to Veymax.com where the information is. And you can check out the other products. I heard they got a belt drive electric skateboard coming up, and I'll be considering getting one. All right, my name is Chris. This is my review for the Veymax Roadster X4S. So what's your opinion about it? Let me know in the comments section. I'd love to hear more from you.